Hi, welcome back. My name is Ambrose. Today, in our previous lecture, we talk about copy and paste command, alright, and we inverted it, and how to copy and paste using method 1. Today's topic, I also give you some definition on copy, cut, and paste command. Today, we are going to talk about copy and paste command in method 2 using mouse and keyboard at the same time. Alright, if you understand the step 1, which is this very step 1 on how to use mouse on copy and paste, it's also similar to the method 2. Alright, because now we have locate where you install the file in your computer system. The same thing, you are still going to locate where you install the file in your computer system. Alright, then select the item you wish to copy. Let us change this one. Select the item. I think should change this. Let us copy it. Copy and paste it. Yes, so that let us use it to represent this. Alright, select the item you wish to copy or make it active. If you have not watched the previous video, which is this copy and paste command, go ahead and watch it in order for you to understand the beginning of this topic. Okay, so let's move ahead. Today we are going to talk about copy and paste command using method 2 by using your mouse and keyboard at the same time. Locate where you store your file in your computer system. Select the items and paste it. Okay, now how do we do this now? For the purpose of this lecture, I promise you that I'm going to show you how to copy into your flash. So I think we should just quickly introduce it in this second video. Okay, let me minimize and go back to my. There is something I would like to explain to you before we move ahead, please. Each time you slot your flash into your computer system, if you slot your flash, for those of you who don't know what I mean by flash, this is what I mean by flash. Okay, I'm not able to cover it up in these programs. This flash downloaded it. That should be. Can I remember? Okay, this flash. Flash is it's an external memory in your computer. It's an external storage memory that depends on the size that is used. You can see this one is 32, and sure, they're all 32. That when you bought it, you can use to store information in your computer system. Are you getting that? Either you want to use your flash to give to the computer, or you want to give out to the computer system. That either you are from you want to from your computer and store it in your flash, or you want to from your flash and store it in your system. All depends on you. Alright, okay, so this flash, you can go to market and buy it. Okay, so that in case somebody put it on, maybe you come across somebody put it on, it's not really a fancy, it's a storage memory. It's just like a memory card that helps individual to store their file. Are you getting that? Because in case maybe your supervisor said, please copy that file and bring for me when you are coming to office. Maybe you work overnight, or you work and you felt that let me just go ahead and copy this file. I don't want to move with my laptop today to office. You can go ahead and copy it, okay, and put inside your flash. So this is what I mean by flash. Okay, in case maybe you are new to this topic of a computer lecture. Alright, so now all you need to do is to go ahead and copy the file now into your computer system. But please take note, each time you slot your flash, each time you yourself in slot your flash. When I mean slot, that is each time you chook your flash, put from inside your computer system. Okay, there is a particular place where you will see it. Anytime you slot your flash, anytime you put that from inside a computer system, there is a particular place where the thing resides. It's not only computer, please take note. It can be external hard drive, anything peripheral. There is anything peripheral that you slot into your computer system. Okay, anything peripheral that you store into your computer system. There is a particular place where the thing resides. So where can we find it? Okay, if you are using normal window, that is if you are using Windows 7, if you punch on your keyboard, there is what we call window key. You will see, you should be able to see computer at your right hand side, computer. Or you can also come here and type computer. Okay, you can see because of the update of Windows, they have changed this one. It's no longer bearing computer, is this PC. Alright, you can swear find it in your desktop. Okay, this one is not here, but I can bring it out by using my property personalize. I don't want to go into that for the purpose of this lecture. Okay, alright, but in case you find it in your desktop, you will see it there. You can swear come here and locate it here. Okay, sometimes here can be hidden. You can come here, you can see it here. All this quick access can be hidden sometimes, so just try as much as possible to click on this PC. So I'm using Windows 10. Click on this PC. Alright, please take note, this is my PC. Okay, this is the place where I can see my flash. Currently I've already slot in my flash. Okay, look at my flash. I want to pull it off so that you see, you will understand what I mean. This one will no longer exist again. Pull it off. You see, the flash is no longer existing, and that's what we call a peripheral device. Peripheral device are those part of computer component that we attach to the computer system only when their service is needed. Just like the cloth we put on, or the cloth every individual put on here, or the attachment that this guy put on, is peripheral. It's a peripheral because it's not really part of your body system. So computer will refer it as peripheral device. So that is why the computer is recognizing it. Whenever you slot it, you remove it, it will not recognize it. When you put it on again, it will recognize it. So it's a peripheral. So I can decide to also use that method that we use in method 1 to paste it here. Okay, let's open it. Okay, I want to take something. Let's assume I want to take information from my PC to my flash, so I'll take it to office. Let's just assume some, or somebody, you did work for somebody and person said please paste it for me. You can go ahead and select it. Or maybe somebody came to your office, I love this movie. If the movie is playing, you cannot paste it, you have to close it first, or minimize your window, right click and go to copy and minimize this one. Go to where, remember I told you you can find your PC, click on it, and this is my flash, and come here and paste. Or you can swear go back, right click on it, just right click on it and you see paste there. The same way the thing is automatically moving from your system to the flash. And I swear, as this one is copied, you can swear select this item, still copy it from your flash to the system. The same way, super, it's very easy. Okay, come here and paste it. That's how documents move. So either you are giving to the system or the system is giving to the device. All depends on you. You can see the file is still copying, because even as the file is copying, go ahead and minimize, and while you do other things, don't interrupt it. Okay, so that is by using that method 1. You can swear use this method 2 by, you know, this 1 to 2, so no need to explain that. In method 2, I told you can use mouse and your keyboard. After you select the items, this is the item. Okay, that is 1. Sorry, that is 1 means locate where you store the item. Then 2 is one I just did now. This, the whole this item, this is the one that is active. Then come here and go to number 3, press Ctrl plus C in your keyboard. There's what called Ctrl plus C. Ctrl plus C, Control and alternate and rest of the keys, and some of the key I mean to say these are keys that cannot function on their own without the help of other keys. They depends on other keys before they can complete their task. So all you need to do is just for you to press Ctrl plus C. They wrote it, this is how they abbreviated it in your keyboard. Ctrl plus C, in case you are new. So Ctrl plus C. So that's how they abbreviated it. Okay, this is how they abbreviated the Ctrl plus C. So all you need to do, go ahead and select it. I want to press mine now, so if you are there, press along with me. Ctrl plus C. When you hold down the Ctrl and press C button at the same time. So after set has done, I've already copied it. Now it is now left for you to go to my flash now. So I want to navigate from another window to another. I'm going to teach you how to navigate from another window to another. Come here, go to this PC. That's where I can find my flash. Open it and Ctrl plus V. When you locate where you want to paste that which has copy, I'm using Bible terms, then the next thing you need to do is to paste that particular command. Paste it by using Ctrl plus V. Just paste it. So I want to press it by using Ctrl plus C, Ctrl plus V. Come here and press Ctrl plus V. Whether something is active or not, no problem. Ctrl plus V. Automatically appears here. So sometimes this technique is used to collect document from your colleague's laptop on our way to him, or any method at all. So I can just come and just select it. I'll just press Ctrl plus C. I've done it already. I'll note to you. Okay, I can be doing other thing while I locate this very place, and I want to put it here. Let me change my view. Just press Ctrl plus V. Automatically those information is coming to this point now. Okay, so I can minimize it before you see the whole items has landed. So that's how to use that method too. Okay, if you don't understand, go ahead and play over again in order for you to understand it. Method 3, the same way, the same step one we use for this very place, and the same step 1 we are going to use here. There is no much changes actually. Locate where you want to locate where you store the file. Right click on it and you see a pop-up menu. In your pop-up menu, I want to bold this place. In your pop-up menu, select send to. This one is very easy. Okay, so let's see how it works. I can come here and I can move this very WhatsApp shortcut app now to my flash. Look at it, please. It's not there. This is my computer where you can find your peripheral device. Open it, there is nothing there. Okay, so let's move it automatically to that place. Open here, right click, this is what I mean. Locate where you kept the file, right click on it and go to send to this it. But sometimes you may have more than one flash in your computer system. If you have more than one flash in your computer system and you are working and it seems that you are confused, all you need to do, just go ahead and copy it from that location, come to this place and locate where the actual file you want to paste it, so that it will not confuse you. Okay, because in case I want to use method, it will not be a kind of confusion to you. Okay, all right, all you need to do, come here, I want to paste it, right click and send to my F, because in my PC is showing me F here, drive F. Okay, so come here, right click, send to F. Send to F. Just click on it. Okay, it's already there. Let's send this one again so I get it. It has gone already. It's going now. It's going. Don't interrupt it. Please don't interrupt it. Don't remove the flash, because if you remove the flash, it's going to interrupt it. It's going to be interrupted. Please. So go to my this thing, flash. All right, that one is still coming until complete before the thing will show you. Look at it. You can see now. Okay. Fidelity is coming. Like as I told you before, the task cannot complete until the file has completed pasting. Just the same way you copy file from online and sorry, download file on one line until the file completed downloading before the thing can be able to work. Alright, because of the file size of this one, that's why this one just appear immediately. Okay, let's go to the other one. Another one again is by using only control. Okay, it's the same thing. Even though you are using only control, almost the same thing to this one, but one you must locate where you keep the file, other one you must do the other one and other things that we have treated before. But let's just see how this one works. Okay, but before we talk about this, the shortcut, which is the cut command, I want to explain something to you. For instance, this is my flash and I want to cut everything from my flash to my computer system. I can go ahead and select it and cut. Click on cut. Please take note, when you activate this cut, automatically the items will become inactive. Alright, that is, this item will become, it will look like if it's fed. Are you getting now? But if I refresh it, it come back. It means I've deactivated the cut command. So I can go ahead and select it, right click and go to cut. Cut simply means you want to move this object from this place to another. I can come here and look at it. Let's see it so that you understand what I mean. Okay, let me adjust my window. I want to paste it here so that you see it. Come here and paste. Now it's showing us, it looks like maybe it's bad. Come here and paste. Automatically those file is leaving my flash to this side, and that is why we said in our previous video that copy and paste is like moving an object. I get now, moving an object from one place to another. That is how I define this cut. Okay, so in case you have something in your mobile phone, or you want to remove everything from your that location to another location, let's assume I want to show you another case study again. Go to my external hard drive within my computer system. Let's assume I come and I discover that people are disturbing me in this very file I have here. This is my file. People are disturbing me badly. All these are my file. So there's a shortcut called Ctrl+A. Okay, Ctrl+A, this is it. This is the first thing you need to do after you locate where you kept the file. Press Ctrl+A from your keyboard. Ctrl+A. When you press Ctrl+A in your keyboard, everything will be selected. I can go ahead and press Ctrl+Aux, a cut. Okay, I can move it to this place, to new folder. I want to create a new folder and call it A. Open it again, open the new folder and create another new folder, call it B. People will not know that I store some file, except you want to use JPEG code to find it. Come here and paste it. That is by paste. We want to paste now, so I want to use shortcut by using Ctrl+V. That is shortcut to paste. Come here and press Ctrl+V, and automatically the thing just appear. You see, let's go back to our lecture. You remember where we cut that file? Our lecture, look at it. Oh, it's not lecture, should be where did I? Okay, look at it. AB piece is empty now, nothing is there. Let's do it one more time again. I can cut this document from this place, cut the entire document and take it to AB now, paste. Okay, you can see automatically the information is no longer there. If I come here, so that's how to cut and paste. Sometimes you can have your internal memory in your maybe your internal memory in your phone is filled up. You can go ahead and extract it from that your phone, and you remove it and paste it for your external memory. So that is how to copy and paste using shortcut. Okay, so the next thing we are going to talk about now is how to copy from your phone, if you are using Android phone, from your phone to the computer system. Okay, there is something I wrote here as in another method. You can swear, come here, maybe this is your flash. I can select them, open here and drag it to this place. Let me move it to this place. Drag. Okay, drag it. So automatically you have already copied at the same time. Okay, so it's only cut that is different. When you cut, the document will no longer exist in that location. If I cut, please take note, don't go and cut a document when you don't really know the functions. Okay, because if you cut it, the document will no longer exist in that location. Okay, if you want to collect somebody's file, don't cut. Please don't cut, just copy. Just like using Zender to share information. Okay, when you copy, the information will still be there. The person that you copy from, the file will still be there, and where you are also copying to, the file will also be there. I believe it's clear. Okay, if it's not clear, just try as much as possible to replay the video or rewind it back so that you can able to get the full detail of what I explained regarding this copy and paste. Okay, so that is by that drag and drop. Okay, the another method again is by using maybe you want to copy from an Android phone. In case you find yourself in computer activities, you want to copy from, maybe somebody came to your office and say, please copy this file to me to my phone. So some people don't really know how to work on it. All you need to do, that is why I also make this video. You can swear, first all you need to do, connect your USB. That is a charger USB. I may not know the phone you are using, but me, I want to use Android phone as a case study. Remember what I told you, that anything you connect into, anything you connected into your phone, like peripheral device, there's a particular place where you found it. So let's go to my computer. This is my Infinix Hot 8. If I double click it now, you see I've not granted it full permission. So I want to grant the phone full permission. So how do you grant the phone full permission? So that's why I come here and wrote file transfer, USB and others. So all you need to do is this. Once you plug the USB charger to the head of the phone and also plug the USB to the computer USB port, swap your screen down, like see if you want to activate your hotspot or you want to on your network. Now if there is any pop-up menu of news, you can go ahead and wipe them off so that you see it properly. Then you are going to see what we call 100 system. Please, 100 system. If you are using 100, okay, I may not know the phone you are using. Okay, come here. Because when I click here, the Android is not showing because I've not given it full permission. I've not granted it full permission. So I want to grant it full permission, and you see it now. I come here, tap on Android system. Then I want to change the file. I want to change it to file transfer. Come here and click on file transfer. Okay, you can hear the noise now. I believe you heard the noise. You just heard the noise now. So when I click on file transfer, now double click on it, you see now it opens. Now looking at it, I don't have internal memory. Assuming you have internal memory, you would have seen it here too. I don't have external memory. Assuming you have external memory, you would have seen it here too. So I only have internal memory. Alright, so I can want to copy something from here now. I want to copy something from here to the system. Come here, select it, right click and copy. Come here and paste. I want to paste. Let me create a new folder entirely. Okay, come here. I want to call the folder practice. Okay, open it and paste it here. Okay, you can use shortcuts. Use shortcuts that very fast. Okay, automatically the information is coming down to this very place now. So remember I told you, if you want to copy a file, you want to collect a similar document to somebody, don't cut. If you cut it, the person will not see it. You are expected to copy. Okay, so this is my file, this is my phone memory. Alright, if I also want to transfer, maybe my phone is filled up. Please take note, if my phone is filled up and you want to transfer it, or you are looking for a file, or somebody came to your office, you are looking for a file, well, all this folder you are seeing, so you are not the one that created it. If this picture, go to DCM. If it's 100, go to camera. All this file, you are not the one who created it. I mean, all this folder, you are not the one who created it actually at the first time. If what you want to store related to music, the folders we have here will create on its own. Like if they send something for you through WhatsApp, like for instance I sent a video through WhatsApp to you and you felt that I want to watch this video using my laptop, all you need to do, connect it. This is your Android phone, locate WhatsApp. This is my WhatsApp. Because I send it to you as a document or any medium, come here. If I want to go to video, this is video. Okay, if I want to go to, maybe they send the video to you. If I want to go to, maybe it's a picture, maybe all those picture WhatsApp, you see picture, they will send picture on your group chat or any medium, and you downloaded it, you view it. By viewing it, you have already downloaded it already or not to you, so you can go ahead and see it in your picture. These are the picture. Okay, you may not see it clear because it will look like maybe the image is bad. It's not bad. You can select it and copy it out in order for you to see it properly. Okay, you can sort them out. Another way you can sort them, you can right click and sort it, because it will take your time for you to find the image, especially when it takes maybe last week or 2 weeks back that they send the movie to you, or they send the document we are talking about to you. You can right click and sort it. Just sort it by date or use modify. If you do not see date modify, come here and activate it. Then come here and click on modify. Modify simply means I want to see the ones, recent ones that they sent to me, so it will be at the top, because you may have large form of information, so it will take your time to find. And that way you can find it. Just look at, you can see this date now, you can see this date, and that's another method you can find it. Then you can stop. You already know that this is the particular place where those files can store. Select them and copy it out. Then you come here, let's paste it in our practice again. Okay, let's change your view and maximize and paste it in this place. You can see automatically those files, they are not coming up. You can see this file, it has been long, this file is here. Just go ahead and paste it, and automatically you see it in this particular place now. So these are how you can copy your information from your phone to the system, or from the system to your phone. Depends on how depends on if it is document or PDF. You see it here if it is WhatsApp. But in case, because of I've come across some Android phone whereby you will not see WhatsApp, you will confuse. Oh Bob, you will confuse. All you need to do, try and locate Android. You see, you should be able to see Android. Yes, you see something like Android like this. Okay, you see 100 like this. Just know that that's where you can find your WhatsApp. Okay, then just take your time and check them one after the other. If they send a document to you through Zender, know that you are going for Zender. Okay, I believe it's clear. If it's not clear, you can notify me, okay, or chat with me, and I will break it down more to you. Okay, so this is what I mean by how to copy to your phone and your flash. Alright, just to draw conclusion, this USB, in case if you change to USB, if you on your data, automatically you can just connect to your browser and you start browsing, provided you on the data. If you choose this option, this USB, provided your data is on and you subscribe, automatically you can use that medium to also browse your laptop, instead of you using go and buy modem. No, you don't need to buy modem. The option is also there, and other options that you are going to see there, which I did not explain. So this is the only option that I can to explain for now. That's why I use the word etc. Please, just to draw conclusion, I told you that please don't interrupt while you are copying and pasting. I believe this video helps you or is helpful to you in your office. Alright, please don't forget to just click on that notification, that subscription button. Okay, I'm grateful for your time you spent watching this movie. We are going to see in our next video by God's grace. Thank you and remain blessed.